Morrissey Co. Manual Cradles. Option 1. Standard Calf Branding Cradle. This standard cradle suits most cattle producers. Option 2. Heavy-duty Calf Branding Cradle. This heavy-duty cradle is the same size as the standard cradle. However, it is made from heavier pipe and has double piping at the bottom of the cradle to remove the chance of twisting. It comes with a neck bar, and we suggest fitting a lift assist spring to the cradle. The heavy-duty cradle is suitable for those cattle producers who are processing larger numbers and larger size calves. Option 3. Weaner Branding Cradle. This is a heavy-duty cradle, similar to the standard heavy-duty cradle. However, it is approximately 10% larger than the standard size cradle. This makes the weaner cradle too large for processing small calves. All manual branding cradles are made from Australian black steel and painted. They are also available in galvanised and hot-dipped options.